All right, so what exactly is a variable? Imagine a variable as a reusable container that holds a value. This value could be a number, a piece of text, or even more complex data. Think of variables as containers in your kitchen, just like you store flour, rice, and other goodies in containers. In Python programming, variables are just like these containers. You create them to store data, making your code organized and efficient. And where do these containers store their data? Well, it's like your computer's memory, what we call RAM. When you create a variable and assign it a value, that information is stored in the computer's memory. Now, let's have some fun with it. Imagine Walter White from Breaking Bad cooking up something. The test tubes he uses, well, those are like variables. The chemicals inside them, those are the values. Walter uses these variables, test tubes, to mix and create different reactions. So in Python, when we talk about variables, think of Walter White and his test. It's all about managing and manipulating data. How to create a variable. Creating a variable in Python is super easy. Let's use Walter White as an example to represent different aspects of his character. When we create a variable, it's important to give it a descriptive and unique name that reflects what the variable contains. For instance, let's declare a variable named full name and set it equal to Walter White in quotation marks. Additionally, we'll create a variable named age and set it equal to 55. To call a variable, we use the print keyword with a set of parentheses and the name of the variable. And now, when we run the program, we can see the values printed in the terminal. Remember, when calling a variable, we don't use quotation marks. If you mistakenly use quotation marks, as in the second print statement, you'll see the word age printed in the terminal instead of the actual value, 55. Now, you have a basic understanding of what a variable is. If you're still feeling confused, don't worry. Variables are something we'll work with a lot, and as you learn more about Python, you'll better understand how to use them effectively.